Greetings, young men. This is Principal Kafele. I'm sitting here in the city of Tacoma, Washington, in my hotel room. But I got a message for you as always. And that message is stop acting like you know it all, because none of us do. Once again, stop acting like you know it all, because none of us do. You know, young man, I've been an educator for a long time, 23 years, 14 years as a principal, 7 years as a teacher, all in New Jersey except 1 year in New York City and Brooklyn. And I've come across a lot of young people at the elementary level, middle school level, and high school level. And one of the things I found in terms of a commonality that so many of the young people that I've worked with had in common is that so many feel or felt that they just know it all. Once again, so many of them just feel or felt that they know it all. Children as young as 10 years old up to 18, 19, 20 and got all the answers. How's a young person, how's a child going to have all the answers and you haven't experienced but 10 years or 15 or 20 years of life? There's too much life that you haven't experienced for you to know all the answers or for you to have all the answers. So I'm saying to you, stop saying or stop acting like you've got all the answers. Because guess what? None of us do. I'm 53 at the time of this recording, and I don't have all of the answers. I've got some suggestions. I've got some ideas. I've got some strategies, but I do not have all the answers. So therefore, I have to still listen to others, whether they be older than me, and therefore folks who have had more experiences, maybe wiser, or even people younger than me. There are younger people who can also school Principal Kafele. There are younger people who are not even educators who can school Principal Kafele. So I don't have all the answers. I don't profess nor claim to know it all. So I'm saying to you, young man, you can't either. You can't profess nor claim that you know it all. You've got to be willing to listen. You've got to be willing to listen to others, listen to other people's ideas. Listen to other people's suggestions. Listen to other people's strategies. Listen to other people's solutions that they may be offering you to whatever issues, challenges, problems that you may be dealing with yourself. But never get to a point where you feel you know it all and you don't have to listen to others. We all have got to listen to others. We've all got to listen to folks who may have different perspectives, different vantage points, different realities, different experiences, and therefore different ideas to share with us. When we get to a point where we can't listen, where we feel we know it all, where we feel we're above listening to somebody else, that's at the point where we're in trouble. We're in trouble because we're not willing to listen to other people and expand our own knowledge base, expand what we know, expand upon our own learning. We feel that within our limited lifetime, our 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, I know it all. You got to stop that. Stop acting like you know it all, young man. You don't. None of us do. None of us ever will. Because there's just too much to know for us to reach the conclusion that we know it all. So instead, when someone's offering you advice, stop. Listen. Absorb. If it's applicable to your life, internalize it. Make it yours. Own it. Claim it. If you don't feel you can use it, if you don't feel it'll be beneficial to your life, then don't use it. But listen first so that you can find out if the idea, if the suggestion, if the strategy, if the technique, if the whatever is something that you can use. So again, stop acting like you know it all. You don't. None of us do. We're all learning. We're all growing. We're all developing. We're all expanding our knowledge. None of us know it all. We all can listen and learn from one another. There's always somebody that knows something that we don't know. So you listen to those folks. But again, if you can't use it, then don't use it. Move on. But first, give yourself a chance to learn from the individual. And then you make a decision, not before you hear what the person has to say. Enough said, young man. Let's go. Let's get it done. Let's make it happen. This is Principal Kafele. Thanks for listening. Peace.